Yo, what's real to me? Some boy time vlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Today we have a song from Sparta. You see me? I say the song is called, what is the name of it? Cold Streets. You see me? I say it's Sky Bad. Because so I go on for the song, yeah man, cold place. You see me? Before the video start, I want to show you something real quick. You see me? I say right now we have a new adventure. I go on my channel. We start doing the little streaming things. You see me? Twitch right now, live for Tariq. Most of the people hit the follow button. People want to reach 25 followers. You did me say in other things. You know, get monetized and start doing it the right way. So if you don't want some stream for a person to subscribe to my YouTube and the watchers are really hard, man, come support the thing. You did me? Right now, tonight we're gonna have some big battle over there. So just taco Tuesday, cook some taco and things. So now I'm not gonna enjoy yourself. So come forward over there. I'm gonna see if we can reach 25 followers before the end of tonight. You did me? But let's try to get straight to the reaction. First link in the description or pin in the comment section. But check out the Twitch. See me say give me 25 followers. Because we're going for the family right now still. No land chatting, you I say everything bevel up right now. Run through.
Tell the youth, you see prison, if you don't can do anything, but stay far from it. I'm a love of crime and turn down, stay far from prison.
Alright. I like to start with that one, I come out with a different phrase, I come motivate the youth to know, feel better in your life. Stay out of prison, youth. You hear me I say, talk again, because that's how I say, I'm lucky, run it.
Tell the youth, you see prison,
yeah.
If you don't can do anything, but stay far from it. I'm a love of crime and turn down, stay far from prison.
Where the mic, where the earphone? Time for we make a change now.
Alright,
telling you to avoid jailhouse. Vice how they get out.
Alright, so okay, Tamale. I say when the vice how they get to you, I tell them if you avoid jailhouse, you know. And this thing what I realize too, that he say like all the violence I turn like a crime thing I go on. But nah, like, we don't know if it's good or not because I'm to live a yard right now. You hear me I say, but we know what made it live a yard. It was like encouraging them to do that go on. And then I said, man, be a shooter police locked down for days. So, when I see that go on right now, some have to say turn on a little bit. I have to say turn on. But you don't say band still go on everywhere. I know that's Jamaica. I just, yeah, you did me, but go on.
Sparta, me ready if you conquer me enemy. If you protect me, it torture me energy. Ain't nothing else, but me no fi question. They can't shut me down, but I rise in the mid for me still.
I say, I'm ready. I'm ready to conquer my enemies them. You say pay enough for them, but he can't make it torture him. Can't do it. I have to do better than that. My bum buckler, well, man, a cold place, man, run well, keep it.
Rise in the mid for me still I hold it out. But me set the fire temporary when me touch the road. Me a beg a pray for me eyes open up. Hang up on inna the chamber, me nah go without it.
See, I'm a push positivity and push yo, don't get locked up and don't get prison. But guess what, I'm have to say, yo, I'm have to defend himself everywhere. You see me, I say, I have to fling up on that chamber, see him where you out. You know, I have to get the road. You know, straight strap at all time.
But me nah go without it.
Yeah.
Yeah, me still I get the vibe, but me nah no fair. But me nah no fair. Pray to God every night for my gun, my best. World is a dark, hard place.
You hear that? You must say, yo, I'm still getting fight in that, but me nah no fear. Nah, no fear. Once I pray to God every night before I go in bed. Hold on, man, you have got everything I do now, you just stay there. Go on.
Hard place. Tell mommy and my son to the time no safe. My daughter, street school me and me no know what the way.
Yeah.
Time for me make a change now. Me tell every youth fi avoid jailhouse. Vice how to get out.
I really think that Sparta and family are the vice how to get to use them still. You know me asking right now the viewers, I don't want to think about that in the comments section down below. You didn't mean I said, but go on listen to the tune and man can talk real to right there, so go on.
Vice how to get out. Cold street, but me not get cold feet.
One law boss. You see me I say, we see them man every week and youth every day.
We smile with they get we kill a low key. Them fight me, I bring my name to police. I will we do the right thing, get the youth we don't free. Yeah, me still I get the vibe, but me nah no fair.
Hold on, that jump over. No, we don't make that miss me. That's it. They smile on their face, but they're not back there. Hold on, man. We don't miss nothing.
Smile with they get we kill a low key.
Yeah.
Fight me, I bring my name to police. I will we do the right thing, get the youth we don't free. Yeah, me still I get the vibe, but me nah no fair. Me nah no fair. Pray to God every night for my gun, my best. World is a dark, hard place. Tell mommy and my son to the time no safe.
You know what I mean? It's a turn not safe, right? What I read not safe. Mommy and him daughter and him son. Oh my gosh, man. Hold on. Talk your talk, Mr. Boss.
Tell mommy and my son to the time no safe. My daughter, where? Streets grew me and me no know what the way. Gun man God out there.
Me I don't regret going there, cause guess what? I best 2 years of my life, you understand?
Yeah.
I get time for pray.
Yeah.
I find time for my family, find time for myself.
Time for
But really talk though that a man come out and say best time of my life when him got prison. People now might say, yo, don't do it at the worst time. So you have time to say don't go, but I did the best time of your life. But yeah, me see what you say, you see me I say. Find time for yourself and your family, yeah, me get that. But still, don't go there. But it help him. It might not help you. You see me, it may break you. Yeah, then me I say, listen what I say.
Time for my family, find time for myself.
Yeah.
time for make a change now. Me tell every youth fi avoid jealous. Vice how they get out. Yeah, me still I get the vibe, but me not no fair. Yeah, me not no fair. Pray to God every night for my gun, my best. World is a dark
God bless.
Tell mommy and my son to the town no safe. And my daughter where the streets grow me and me no know how to way. Gunman God out there.
I'll go on. That is it. Yeah, that is it. That is it. I wish part this in the day. Man, I kick off the fence. I say, hey, yo, man, I get close to 10 million. Yo, I can't want to say right now the dog. But it's about some rating. Nice. You see me, give a look party message. I like it. I'm like, I must stay consistent after the little clashing go on with him and such man. Then me I say, well, like, I must stay calm after the little clash thing go on. Then me I say, I must stay calm or I must stay consistent at the same time. But before we come offline and done that video, people, again, I want to figure subscribe to the Twitch. You did me I said right now. I mean, go follow me on Twitch. YouTube so much I say subscribe, but go follow me on Twitch. I try 25 followers. I'm not more than 25 when I go watch a video. You did me I say if free to follow me over there, just go over there and follow me. If you have an Amazon and Prime account, you see me I say just subscribe. That's even better. That's free. You did me already have the Amazon Prime account. So big up on yourself. We'll soon another video. Reaction Bars. I sign out as usual. I'm out.